Hey guys, Big Boy here. Woke up this morning and I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if we had a power surge or something, but my garage would not work right. So follow me as I fix this out. I have a Liftmaster MyQ Garage opener, and then there was a weird message on my garage monitor button when I went to go in there. So let's take a look. Alright guys, came out to my garage today and got this notification here. Go to press the button, nothing happens. Looked up at my garage. No lights or anything come on. So this is the garage circuit board here. That is a part number 001D as in dog 8363, and it is for my Liftmaster, and it has the MyQ system you can use with the app. So my thing was I had the alert on the wall opener. Nothing there was working. So when I unplugged it, I checked my breaker box. Nothing was working there. It seemed like it was getting power. Came up here, I unplugged it since I'm working on it. But this is what happened when I plugged it back. It would just flick on really quick. So I unplugged it and I went ahead and purchased another circuit board. Didn't find it on Amazon for the same model number. Found it actually on eBay. So this is it here. So I'm gonna go in and replace it and reconnect the wires. So stay tuned. Check the wires here. This one I pulled out from the red. And this one is attached. So it's a red and a blue. So red, so this one goes into red and white. This one kind of does a double doozy, white. So this one's going in white and blue. Okay. So if you look behind, I just actually disconnected this one, and you can see it goes into those slots there. I did this one and that one, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 sets of wires there. Alright, I got all my wires plugged in. I haven't done the bottom screws yet. Let's just give it a quick test and see if that worked. I also bought a surge protector to put up here because I think that's what may have happened at first. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Looks like we got some fire. There's the learn button blinking away. So let's check the screen here and see what we got. Alright, I'm getting down from the ladder. So this had a random thing here. Still had that same message. So let's try to push. Oh, there it goes. It's coming back alive. All right, I think we got a winner. Let's see. Oh, I got something in the way. All right, well, lets me know it's working. All right, so what had happened, I need to reset the up and down for how far the actual door goes up and down. So that's why it was beeping like crazy. So I actually already set it right before this video, but I'm gonna reset the down because it still has like a tiny gap, and that looks weird to me. I would like it to go all the way down. So let's do it. So you're gonna press that middle button and hold it down till it beeps. And so It's going to be on up because it's normally supposed to be down. So set the up. Let me hit it again to go down. So that's going to set the down. So let's go and do that. Hold it down. Keep holding. And I want it all the way down. Then go up here and then hit the. Now do the up. And I'm still holding it down. And see, I have like a nut there. I'm gonna do it right before it hits that nut. There we go. All right, so that's just to test the down since it's already been set. So let's see how far it goes. All right, it's all the way down. So it's good to go. Back to the grain, and we're good. So after I'd reset everything on the new circuit board, I actually went ahead and followed the steps to reset my MyQ. I did reprogram my remotes, and I hit it here. Goes all the way up. Press the button again. All the way down. Thanks for looking, guys, and watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Big Boy Randoms. I have more videos coming. Peace out.